I'm Emanuele Stillitani and I work for CADMATIC as an application specialist. Last time I shown you how you can use a smart point and its main function. Today I want to show you how you can create one and add a new smart point. Let's suppose I want to add a smart points to this pressure gauge, pressure indicator here. What shall I do? And let's suppose I know its tag, its ID. What can I do? I right click the item and I select add smart point. Then I choose the type of smart point, PI. I enter a name. I know it is PI 2183 because maybe I checked on the P&ID. I can put the same name under external ID. I can link to model item, for example, to the pipeline, and give it a description. Pressure indicator. Once done, I click Save. The smart point is created. And since the item exists in the database, in the PI database, you can see the measures that are now taken. The value, the unit, and the time.